Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is November the 4th, 2021. This is going to be our Loopring price prediction. You guys can see that way back in September, we did our last price prediction in Loopring, and now it's about time for us to give y'all the update. You guys can see from the price chart that the market has exceedingly rocketed in price. We want to know, can we maintain it? And if so, can we still continue to expect the price in Loopring to go up? Well, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is the spot, the location that you're going to get the realist price prediction in the cryptocurrency space without the confusion, without the technical analysis, without using technical indicators, without even looking at articles. We don't care about none of that. We only care about what people are doing with their money. That speaks more volume than anything else that we can actually try to harp on. So let's look at the price. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you tap the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel to keep it locked in right here. So first, let me talk about what happened to the price in Loopring against our last price prediction, which was on September the 23rd, 2021, right here. We did a price prediction back in September, telling everyone then to be prepared for the market in Loopring to go down, but only slightly. We wasn't extremely bearish into the market in Loopring. We told you precisely where the market was going to go, right here around 35 cents as support. Come in, grab the bag right there around 35 cents and move on to the next play. And you guys can see that that's literally where the market in Loopring came in and held support right there around 35 cents. So let's go ahead and get rid of this because you guys can see that's a pretty good prediction. 13.84% grabbed into the market from that movement. And you guys can see outside of 35 cents, right? Let me take this horizontal line right here. So if you would have came into the market back in September and purchased Loopring at 35 cents back in September, right? This is where the market found its last area of support, right there where we told you to where we was going to grab the bag. The market hasn't dipped below 35 cents since then. That was the perfect opportunity right here. 35 cents was the perfect opportunity for us to come in and buy Loopring. And guess what? Let's say if you would have done that, would you imagine where your profit would be at today? You'll be up 264% right now. From the ending of September to the beginning of November, you will be up 264% right now. That doesn't get any easier than that. All you have to do is look at what people are doing with their money to see where price is going to go. So now let's go ahead and get rid of this because there might be some big warnings for us to pay attention to in Loopring. And one of the biggest issues that I'm seeing on the chart is how far away the price is trading from this overall trend. Before we broke out in Loopring's price, this is where the trend is right here, okay? Because you guys can see here on the daily time frame that the market continues to come and bounce off this ascending line at least 3 days. We started the trend right here on October the 28th. We came back in and tested that trend on the 31st of October, and we came in and tested again the next day on November the 1st. So this is the trend that we are currently watching the market in Loopring follow. Now look at where price is though. We are trading so far away from trend that we can still see the price come all the way down, maybe around 28%. Yeah, we can still see the price drop in Loopring 28%. Now I got to give you the information based on what I have on the chart. And if you don't like it, I'm sorry. It is what it is. You guys may think that the market will continue to moon up to outer space, and that's not always the case. We need to also see the other side of the market because people inevitably will be taking the bag. They will be taking the profits too. And when that occurs, we got to plan for those things, for those events. So yeah, we can see the price drop 28%, but that's nothing to be worried about because the price is still in the uptrend. Now, the reason for us to be worried would be when the price breaks the trend, right? If we see the market in Loopring come through and we break this ascending line to the downside, then we need to be worried. But until such time, guess what? Yeah, we're still expecting the price to go up in the long term. Okay, in the long term. Now, when I say long term, I'm talking about in the next 3 months or so. I'm not talking about the next 30 years. I'm saying the next 3 months. As long as the price stays above that ascending line, we're golden. Okay, so right now, you guys can see that we're up 10.6% into the market in Loopring, and you guys can see that currently, yeah, the trend is being maintained. This is the nearest term area of support right here. Okay, We cannot see the price in Loopring. In order for us to continue to see the upward movement, we can't break $1.15. It's just that simple. So as we continue to look at the market here in Loopring, price stays above $1.15, we're going to sustain the market trading sideways, and we have the ability to continue to go up and not even come down to that ascending line. I'm giving you all the play right now on what to be on the lookout for. So $1.15 is going to be real important for us to keep our eyes open in order for us to see the price go up. So let's check this out. Let's look at the market in Loopring on a 2-day, because currently we're still seeing the market here giving us some weakness. Okay. We're still seeing individuals in the market in Loopring taking it back. And it started off right here on this 2-day price mark, which started the month of November. Here we are 4 days into November, and we're still seeing the market selling. And rightfully so. I mean, look how far we were. We were 264% when the market in Loopring just towards the end of September was trading around 35 cents. So the market is taking it back right now. Majority of them. This is the 3-day time frame. So yeah, the market here in Loopring is just going through this phase to where people are just taking a bag and taking a profit. Now, usually from my perspective, yeah, we just need to chill out and wait. Like, this isn't a rush to come in and try to buy the market in Loopring because you are under the premise that, oh man, I'm going to miss the boat. I don't want to miss it. This is where that emotional trading aspect kicks in to those who don't understand the markets. We don't need to rush it, especially when you see this trend. Because this trend is not going to last into perpetuity. It's not going to happen forever. The market will come back down and test this trend, this ascending line. So patience is a virtue. You might just need to chill out and just wait until the market comes down to a more favorable price rather than rushing to try to get into the market because you think you may have missed the boat. We don't do that here. We don't rush it. We simply sit back, look for the market signals, and once it gives it to us, that's when we pounce in the market and grab the bag, right? So this is the weekly time frame into the market in Loopring. You guys can see here, yeah, we made all-time highs, right? The volume is exceedingly higher than what we have seen recently on this Binance exchange. So what does it mean? Well, I got a couple of areas that I'm seeing that I really want everyone to pay attention to. The first one is maintaining price above $1.15, right? You guys remember what I said earlier. If we can see price hold $1.15 to the upside, we're going to expect the price to go up. Second area is this ascending line, right? Under any bouts of selling, under any bouts of weakness, as long as price trades above this ascending line, we're going to go up in price. And this is the last thing that we need to see in price for Loopring right here. 90 cents. Okay. Now these are all long-term price levels that I'm seeing on the chart that we all need to be paying attention to. Okay. 90 cents. We cannot see the price break 90 cents no more in order for us to really see a expansion of higher prices into the future. All right. So those are the three levels. $1.15 is near term price level. The ascending line is midterm price level, and this 90-cent price is longer term. We cannot ever see the price break below 90 cents. Now we can see it come down to 90 cents and grab it as support and then see the market lift up from there. Like we can see the market do this. Okay, see the market come down, kind of give us some upward movement, come down to 90 cents, and then we'll start the moving back up in price. We can see that happen. Okay. So let me break this down to a 45-minute chart because I want to see whether or not the price in Loopring is going to continue to go up in price right now. And currently, I'm looking at the price to go down. Okay, I am. So let me do this. 90-minute chart. You guys can see that we're still getting some weakness into this market in Loopring. Preferably, if I don't see the price break $1.45 to the upside, I'm looking for the market to continue to give us some weakness and go down in price, right? You guys can see it right here. Let me clean some of these lines up because I do not want to cause no confusion. So look at this, right? Guys, see that? We broke the trend in Loopring on the 90-minute chart. Okay, let me get rid of this one too. So you guys can see that the market in Loopring on a 90-minute chart was able to keep its price above the trend until we broke it. Now we're coming back up and we're trying to test the market to come back up above the trend, and we're seeing a weakness now. So even on a 30-minute, 90-minute chart, I'm looking for the price to come down, which means that we're going to come back down and test $1.15. So we got to be prepared to eat off the market at $1.15 on this next leg down. I'm not looking for the market to go up in Loopring right now because we broke the trend on the 90-minute chart. So the next outcome for us to really see this market is trade sideways. That means price holding $1.15. That's what I've been telling you the whole video. We got to keep our eyes on $1.15. If we break below $1.15, yeah, we're going to go a lot lower. I'm here to tell you that too. So let me go ahead and give you all the play. Going to play the weakness into the market here in Loopring. Okay. Now I'm not going to be extremely bearish. No, just relax. But we can see the price still come down, right? And I'm going to say that until we see this price break above $1.50. Okay. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Loopring. Now we got $1.15 as our first spot of taking a bag, of taking profit. Okay, $1.15. Second area would be down here at $1.08. Okay, maybe around $1.10. That's the second area for us to eat off the market in Loopring. So let me go ahead and get rid of this ascending line first, and we're going to track the market in Loopring right here on the daily time frame. Okay. And then we're going to take it out a couple of days, and I'm going to keep my eyes focused in on $1.15. Right, we're going to definitely watch the price in Loopring, because if we break $1.15, then we're going to come down to like $1.08, then ultimately down here to like $1 even, or $1.01, which is around 21.75%. So everyone who watches this video, keep your eyes open on $1.15. If we're able to hold support and price trades above it, we already know that our price prediction is going to go against us. We're going to see the price continually go up in price. But I wouldn't even be surprised to see this market try to come back down ultimately and try to test this trend though. I wouldn't be surprised of that. All right. So this is it. These are the two lines I'm going to focus my price prediction off of. Either we're going to continue to see this price come in and hold $1.15, or we're going to see it come down towards $1 and grab this ascending line. Now, that's what I'm seeing though. You might see something totally different, which is cool, which is fine. There's no issues about it. You just got to learn how to do this for yourself. You got to learn how to be predictors of the market so that you can win more often than you lose, because so many people are reactionary to what price do rather than be proactive and predicting where price is going to go. So take this opportunity and drop a comment right now and tell me, where do y'all think Loopring is going to go over the next 3 weeks? This is my thoughts. This is my expectations. Now I want to know what yours is. Hit me up. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.